Hi there, welcome to a new Savvy PowerPoint tutorial. Today we will be showing you how to work with shapes in PowerPoint. I will be guiding you through. You open a new PowerPoint. You head to Home and click the box with the shapes. If you've done that, you will see a drop down of all the shapes. You can click these shapes and drag them into your canvas and move them to any size you want. The shapes you have are your recently used shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowcharts that I'll show you later, stars and banners, callouts, and active buttons. We'll also be showing you how to use colors and use border colors for the shapes. In the next video, we will be teaching you about using effects on the shapes. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's go. As you can see here, I have a blank canvas open and I'm going to, just as I said, click Home and head over to the shapes here. And I can just select these shapes and drag them in. And that's very easy, just as I told you. But one thing you really need to remember is the using of the Shift button on your keyboard. Because once you do a Shift button, if you click, as you can see right here, this one, if I shape this, it's not perfectly round. But once I click the Shift button, I just hold it pressed on, and I'm going to have a perfect circle. I'll show you that with some other things. This triangle, for example, I can make this out of it, but if I post it, and if I want to do that again, and put it on my canvas while I click Shift, it's going to give me this. A perfectly scaled triangle. This is also the case if you want to resize stuff. This one's not a perfect triangle, but I want it to be this exact shape, but bigger. I click Shift again, and I hold it, and I make it bigger. Bam. It's that easy. And this goes for every shape you have. So if I go and make a new slide here, I will be able to show you more about that, because I told you about the flowcharts. The flowcharts look like separate shapes, but they're not. They're made so you can make a table, or just print them out, put a name here, and make an equation here, or yeah. And there's multiple borders in it, but it's not one shape. As you can see, I can't ungroup it. It's just one shape. That's what I meant. Well, now I told you about showing the colors. You can see a dark blue color on the outside and a lighter blue on the inside. If we go to shape format, it'll give you shape fill and shape outline. I will go more into detail about these two in the next video, which will be about using effects like shape effects and some stuff here that's very nice to make great presentations with. The shape fill speaks for itself. You hit the button and it gives you colors, and it will change the inside of your shape. If I click this one, the inside will be bright orange. The shape outline is the blue line on the outside, and I can change that to whatever I like as well. If you want different colors than that, you can select here, and you have a color code. You can use more outline colors. You'll get this drop down, or at least a new page, and it can give you different new colors, standard or custom. If you have the codes, you can put them in here, and it will be exactly the color that you need. Next week we will be back with more PowerPoint stuff, and I will be showing you on how to use effects on your shapes. And remember, don't get carried away and always stay savvy.